In the beginning, there was paradise. The earth watered itself and there was no need for rain. Animals roamed freely, giraffes taking leisurely strolls with tigers, porcupines and pandas rolling about. Then man was created. Careful hands crafted man and placed him in the heart of paradise with one job: to maintain it. Over time, however, man began to seek more, to want more. Industries were established, factories were built, and everything began to change. The rivers began to fill with oil, forests dwindled under the impact of man's expansion. Exotic species that had once roamed began to disappear. Blissful sounds became the jarring noise of engines and generators, and people had to yell to be heard. The earth began to deteriorate, growing increasingly bare as year after year went by. People shouted about fixing the earth. People even sang songs about it. But it only grew worse. Worse. And worse. Now, man seeks to return to how it was in the beginning, to attain a life that mirrors the paradise that was lost. This pursuit is what has driven men to build underwater walkways, to build structures that place men above the clouds. This desire for a quality of life as it was in the beginning is what pushes Elon Musk to want to explore the moon, to explore Mars. This longing for something better, for something different. Why do you think men inhabit the improbable places? Mountains, forests, islands. It's a search for rest, for Isimi. What is Isimi? Breeze rustling through the trees, birds chirping early morning greetings as they perch on windowsills, water running over pebbles, flowers opening up after tucking themselves in for the night, the sun making a slow ascent across the sky, casting its warm glow on everything it touches. The Yoruba people of Nigeria sought a word that could describe this ideal and created the word Isimi, an encapsulation of this perfect state. Isimi is a very robust word meaning rest, wellness, vacation, holiday. Basically, it describes a state of complete ease, free from anxiety, a state of being rejuvenated, renewed, restored, and reborn. But what if Isimi was a place? The dream city, nestled in the pulsing heart of nature, surrounded by the sights and sounds that only Mother Nature herself could provide. A cocoon away from the daily hustle and bustle that accompanies living. A haven that offers you a new genre of life. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to take you on a journey through Isimi Lagos, Nigeria's first ever wellness city. Welcome to the Isimi experience.